So I think if you're in my shoes and you're going out and buying deals and getting paid to run deals, specialize. If you're on the other side and you're trying to protect wealth, and look, another huge part of this comes down to, are you trying to build wealth or are you trying to protect it? Most dentists are trying to protect wealth. They've built it. They've got a nest egg. They're trying to keep that nest egg intact. Don't crack the egg and live on it the rest of their life. So I would encourage a lot of dentists, diversify, find operators you trust in industrial, find operators you trust in medical office, find operators you trust in self-storage, and go after low leverage real estate. There's nothing less risky over a 10-year time frame than a human being you really trust to look out for your properties and manage them well and trust your money, and not using very much bank debt. Nobody goes broke when they don't have very much bank debt. So, and look, I'm in wealth preservation mode too now. We bought $100 million worth of storage. It's worth 150 now. My whole life has changed. So I am in the camp of now protect what I have. So my advice would be much different if somebody came to me and they said, Nick, I'm 25. I just sold a company. My earning potential is really high. I'm going to go do X, Y, Z. I have this nest egg to invest. Okay, then they need to diversify into some maybe more risky deals. Do whatever is best for them. But it's a trade-off for sure.
Before you go, we have a new sponsor of the show, recostseg.com. And if you bought a piece of real estate, you need to get a cost segregation study done. It's what allows you to get all that sweet, sweet bonus depreciation, and it's how real estate investors like me and many others pay almost nothing in taxes on an annual basis. You can cost seg a single-family rental, a short-term rental, or a large commercial property. recostseg.com is affordable and aggressive and super fast to turn them around. They've done 10 plus cost segs for me this year. They're going to do many more for me. Visit recostseg.com to learn more.